Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this tutorial, I am trying to explaining about one of the interesting topic in Java collections called navigable set. So navigable set is an interface that is subtype of sorted set. In last video, I already explained about sorted set. What are the methods present inside sorted set and sorted set hierarchy. I already explained. If you did not watch that video, watch that video. So if it is subtype of sorted set, I mean navigable set is subtype of sorted set, right? All methods that are available in sorted set like head set, tail set, subset, all these methods by default available in navigable set. Let me show you the documentation about navigable set. So navigable set is an interface extends sorted set. So navigable set have some specific methods along with sorted set. Let me show you that methods. So lower, floor, ceiling, higher, pole first, pole last. Let me try to write an example. Then I will apply each and every method and I will explain how lower will work, floor will work, these kind of methods. So I am trying to create navigable set reference and its implemented class is reset. So navigable set is an interface, right? We can't create object for interface. So navigable set from java.util package. So here I am trying to consider integer navigable set new reset. So in Java collections, navigable set interface implemented class is reset. Now I am trying to add elements into navigable set. So I am trying to add elements like, so even though if we can add the elements in zigzag fashion, the elements will be printed like in ascending order. Why? Because it extends a sorted set, right? Sorted set follows ascending order. So let me try to copy and paste multiple times. So wildly I am trying to enter elements in zigzag fashion. Now let me try to print navigable set. Navigable set. So I got the result in ascending order, right? Smallest to highest. So even the I entered here data in zigzag fashion. Why? Because navigable set extends sorted set, right? So that's why sorted set follows always ascending order, right? So that's why I got the result in ascending order. So now let me try to implement each method, then I will explain. So first one is lower method. So lower method returns the greatest element in the set. Here navigable set ns, right? In that set it will return the greatest element strictly less than to the given element. If that element is not exist, it will return null. So greatest element in the set strictly less than means, so if I can pass any element, let me try to explain. Let me try to print it and I will explain, then you will get. So navigable set of lower. So here if I can pass 40, I will get result like 39. Why? Because next greatest element smaller to 40 is 39, right? So that's why I will get result like 39. Here I am getting 39, right? So that is, it is saying even though if I have 38, let me try to add one more element. So 38, let me try to run. I got 39. So comparing to 39 and 38, these are the near to 40, right? So which one is greater? 39. That's what this point is saying. Returns the greatest element in the set strictly less than to the given element. So 40 less than, we have nearly 40, two elements are there, 39 and 38. Strictly greater than element is 39. That is about lower. So next one is floor. So floor is almost similar to lower only, but one difference. Here it will return less than or equal. Here it is always less than. Here less than or equal. That is the difference between lower and floor. So if I can pass 39 itself, I will get 39 result. Let me show you. So Here I need to update the method, right? Floor instead of lower, floor. So floor 39 itself I am getting, but here if I can pass 39, I will get 38. 39. Next greatest element near to 39 is 38, right? I will get 38. 38. So that is the difference between lower and floor. It will follow always strictly less than. Floor follows strictly less than or equal to. If the condition match, it will return equal element also. That is the difference between lower and floor. You need to remember. Even ceiling and higher also. Let me try to explain that one as well. So here ceiling means top, lower and floor means bottom. That's it. So ceiling is expecting parameter of. So if I can pass 39, 39 above element, nearly 39 above, which one is here? So I think near element is on there. Let me try to run how it will execute. So 39 ceiling. Here if you can observe the documentation, ceiling strictly greater than or equal to. That's why here I passed 39, right? It matched the condition equal. That's why I got 39 itself. If I can pass 49, I will get 50. Yeah, 50. So if I can pass 50 also, I will get 50. Why? Because mean greater than or equal to here. Greater than or equal to. That's why I got nearly that element or equal to that element. That is about ceiling. Higher means always strictly greater than. It won't return matching. I mean equality condition here we don't have, right? Let me try to explain about higher. Higher of. So there is no element, right? Nearly I think 55. Let me try to run. Yeah, 55. So if I can pass, even though I am passing 50, so here we have element 50. I did not get 50, I got 55. Why? Because strictly greater than, not strict, I mean greater than or equal to. That's why. That is difference between ceiling and higher is, ceiling will return greater than or equal to element, higher will return always greater than or greater than element. Enough. That is about ceiling and higher. Next one is poll first and poll last. So poll first remove and return first element, I mean lowest. Poll last means remove and return last element. If the element won't there, it will return null. Both methods will return null if that corresponding element won't be there. Now let me try to. So I am trying to return last element and first elements, right? So here in this case, first element will be 10, last element will be 55. So if I can apply, the method is poll first. So before that, let me try to print it before and after, how it is looking, that navigable set. Before removing first, after removing first. Let me try to run this one as well. I mean along with that poll first, poll last also. Poll last. So before that, let me try to make one separator to understand that both. So here I am trying to provide one separator. So one more I am trying to use after poll first. Now let me try to run it. So poll first. Once the, I mean before navigable set, before applying poll first, once I applied remove and return. That's why I got the 10, and here 10 won't be there. It will start from remaining list, right? I mean 18 onwards. Next one is poll last. So it returns the last element, it returns and remove the last element. After poll last, this is the navigable set. I mean 18 to 50. Why? Because last element is removed because of this poll last. So these are the frequently used methods inside navigable set. So even though some inherited methods are there inside the navigable set that are from sorted set, right? Like subset, head set, tail set, sub, I mean subset here, anyway we have overloaded method. subset with boolean also, 4 parameters. Here subset is 2 parameters. And moreover that remove first, remove last, reversed. So if you want to get reversed order, you will get, if once you apply it reversed, you will get in all elements in reversed. So anyway, I explained all this, like lower, floor, ceiling, higher, full past, full last, iterator, all these methods I already explained. So I hope we got some clarity on what is navigable set, what are the methods present inside navigable set. Navigable set, let me try to conclude. So what is navigable set? Navigable set is an interface that is subtype of sorted set. So all methods that exist inside sorted set, it will be available in navigable set. Along with that, navigable set have some specific methods. I mean, the name itself indicates that to navigate. So like forward and backward with the help of these methods, like floor, even though by using that iterator you can extend, I mean you can backward and forward you can iterate. So along with that, if you want to get approximate values with corresponding input parameter, some methods are there, like lower, so it will follow strictly less than. Floor, it will also follow strictly less than or equal to. Ceiling, strictly greater than or equal to. Higher, strictly greater than. Poll first, remove first element and return. Remove, I mean poll last, remove last element and return. So that is about navigable site. So if you like the content, hit on like button and subscribe programming KT. Thanks for watching.